They are called storm chasers, people who literally drive toward the world's most dangerous storms. While most of us run for safety, they follow tornadoes and hurricanes with cameras and sensors. Why? To collect data that could save lives. By measuring wind speeds, pressure, and storm patterns, they help scientists improve weather forecasts and early warning systems. But it's not just science. For some, it's pure adrenaline. Every chase means risking their lives against unpredictable winds, flying debris, and lightning strikes. Storm chasing may sound crazy, but without them, we'd know far less about the most powerful forces of nature.